In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your password in ChatGPT 2026 guide. Let's start from the ChatGPT home screen in your web browser. Look down to the bottom left corner of the interface. That's where your account area lives. Click that area to open the account menu, then choose Settings. This takes you to the place where all your account preferences are managed, including your security controls. In the Settings window, find and click the section labeled Security. Inside Security, look for the password option and select it. This is where you'll make the change, and it's designed to guide you through the process in a clear, secure way. You'll be prompted to enter your current password first. This step confirms it's really you making the change. If the system doesn't accept your current password, carefully check for typos, make sure caps lock isn't on, and verify that your keyboard layout is what you expect. Little details like an extra space or the wrong case can cause problems. Once your current password is accepted, you'll be able to type in your new one. When choosing a new password, aim for something strong and unique. Mix upper and lowercase letters, numbers, and symbols, and avoid anything that's easy to guess, like common words or personal details. Longer is generally better, and a memorable passphrase that combines unrelated words can be both strong and easier to recall. For added safety, don't reuse a password from another site and consider storing it in a reputable password manager so you can keep it both secure and accessible. After entering your new password, look for the button to save or update the change and click it. Give the page a moment to process. You should see a short on-screen confirmation indicating the update was successful. That confirmation is your green light that the new password is now active. So the next time you sign in, you'll use the one you just set. If you sign in to ChatGPT using a single sign-on or a third-party login, you might not see a password option in the security section at all. That's expected. In those cases, your password is managed by the provider you use to sign in, and any changes need to be made through that provider's account settings. And that is all for today. Keeping your credentials safe is a simple but effective way to protect your account. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.